Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in the Microsoft Teams mobile app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main interface where you can access all your Teams features and conversations. Now tap the chat option located at the bottom left of your screen. This will take you to your chat list where you can see all your existing conversations and start new ones. The chat feature is essential for direct messaging and group discussions outside of team channels. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find and connect with other users. Type in the name or email address of the person you want to chat with, then tap on their profile from the search results that appear. This will open up a direct conversation with that individual. Once you're in the conversation, look for the information icon, which appears as an eye in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to access more details and options related to this chat. This section gives you additional controls over your conversation settings. In the upper right corner, you'll now see 3 dotted lines. Tap on these dots to reveal a menu with various chat options. This menu contains several useful features that let you customize and manage your conversations more effectively. From the menu that appears, tap on the option that says Create Group Chat. This is the key step that transforms your one-on-one conversation into a group setting, allowing you to bring multiple people into the same discussion thread. Now you'll see the search bar at the top again. Tap on it and start typing the name or email address of additional people you want to add to your group chat. As you type, suggestions will appear below. Tap on each person's profile from the results to add them to the group. You can add as many members as you need for your group conversation. Finally, once you've added all your group members, tap the text field at the bottom of the screen. This is your message input area, and you can now start chatting with your newly created group. Everyone you added will be able to see and participate in the conversation, making it perfect for team discussions, project coordination, or casual group conversations. And that's it. You've successfully created a group chat in Microsoft Teams where you can collaborate and communicate with multiple people at once. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.